I came up with the idea for the whiteboards after going to a little workshop that David had offered. So we made a little, it was like a wooden stand, and it was a little dinner menu, you know, something you would actually have in your house. And as we were printing that whiteboard, I thought, why couldn't I print something for class? I actually use those in both Bio 201 and Bio 160. So we use those in 201 when we cover the neuron and action potential, and then we use them in Bio 160 when we cover the nervous system. I was actually surprised when I handed the whiteboards out, and one of the students goes, "Oh, cool," because they got to write on the whiteboards. And I was thinking, that's fun. They think it's fun to be able to write on the whiteboards and erasing the stuff and writing all over them. So they had fun with that. I had the students, as they were labeling parts, they're like, okay, now I see this. I can see where this is going. And with the graphing, they were actually graphing this out. They could see where the voltage changes would actually occur. It also put them into a cooperative environment too, that they were learning with their groups and learning with their peers. So rather than just sitting there and taking notes, they were actually working on this in a cooperative environment and reviewing the material. I actually had them turn that into a quiz, and then they switched the whiteboards with other groups to actually quiz each other at the end of the lesson.